Welcome to another WordPress and cPanel tutorial by How to Webmaster. Learn to install WordPress in cPanel, follow these steps. Scroll down to the Softaculous Apps Installer section and click on the WordPress icon. If your web hosting provider do not have Softaculous, they might be using another app installer that works in a similar way. If you want to install WordPress manually through a zip file, see my other video tutorial, the link is down below. On this next page, click on the Install Now button. Fill in the required information such as the installation URL, site name, and administrator username and password. You only need to fill out the things that I have filled out. There are extra settings which are optional. You can also choose a theme and some plugins. If you want to install them, they are optional. Click the Install button to start the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete and then log into your WordPress dashboard using the administrator credentials you provided during the setup. That's all there is to installing WordPress with cPanel Softaculous. You now have a fully functional WordPress site installed in your cPanel account. Thank you for viewing.